Imagination is the key, and with Flexo you will see a Flexillion possibilities.
Incredible.
Wherever you are in the world, welcome along, Flexo fam. This week we've got a delicious build for you. Meet Lucy the Lobster. Small and cute, Lucy features some of our exciting new Flexo Domes. We'll talk about those a little bit later in the video. So, first things first, what parts are you going to need? Here they are on screen. These are the parts that you'll need to build Lucy the Lobster. We've obviously done her in red. You might choose to do her in orange or any other colour. Okay fam, let's get making. We're going to start off by using T3 tendons and the red circle bricks. Once you've connected 3 of those together, insert a T5 tendon. That's going to be the beginning of Lucy's tail. Now you lock off the circle bricks with square bricks. And voila, that's the lobster body. Looks pretty tasty. Now what lobster would be complete without some claws? To make Lucy's claws, we're using 4 triangles. Connect them together with a T3 tendon and then use a T11 on the end of each triangle. Two more triangles make the tail, so Lucy can swim. Now she just needs a couple of eyes to see where she's going. And voila! But wait a second. Lucy's not complete without some exciting Flexo Domes. The domes are a great addition to the Flexo products line. They give you such a world of creative options when it comes to decorating, personalizing and customizing your builds. If you'd like to be the first in the world to get access to these domes, make sure you sign up to our newsletter in the link below. Short, sweet, totally delicious. That's Lucy the Lobster. If you had fun watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notifications bell so you don't miss a single thing. Every week we're coming out with brand new videos. That's all for this week, fam. Thanks so much for being with us. Keep up with your imaginations and we'll see you next week.